Un Waliullah, Un Waliullah, Un Waliullah, Un Waliullah, Un Waliullah. Say the name that breaks all fear, Un Waliullah. Name that brings the brave ones near, Un Waliullah. Heart beats strong when we all say, Ya Ali, Ya Ali, Ya Ali. Raise your voice and call today, Un Waliullah. Born in a house where the pure light shone, light in your face from the one alone, always beside the final guide, first of the brave, always his side. When I am lost and feel alone, your name is strength in every bone. Fear runs away, I stand up tall, Ali Un Waliullah, my call. When I feel the world is heavy on me, I call Ya Ali and my heart walks free. Ali Un Waliullah, Ali Un Waliullah. Light of my heart, a gift from Allah, Ali Un Waliullah. Un Waliullah, Un Waliullah. Strengthen my soul with the help of Allah, Un Waliullah. You are the door to the deepest light, teaching my heart to choose what's right. Guide for the ones who love what's true, hope for the souls that run to you. I lift your name when I stand in prayer, hope in my chest kills my despair. On every path that I have to see, I whisper low, please walk with me. Who is the shield when the brave ones fall? Ali Un Waliullah. Who is the answer when the weak ones call? Ali Un Waliullah. The light when the night feels long, Ali Un Waliullah. Who gives the heart its fearless strong, Ali Un Waliullah. Every tear that leaves my eyes carries your name into the skies. Every test and every trial, Ya Ali brings back my true smile. Every step along this way, love of Ali lights my day. When I reach my final breath, let your name crown my time of death. Ali Un Waliullah, Ali Un Waliullah. Light of my heart, a gift from Allah, Ali Un Waliullah. Un Waliullah, Ali Un Waliullah. Call of my soul for the love of Allah, Ali Un Waliullah. Ali Un Waliullah, Ali Un Waliullah, Ali Un Waliullah. Ali Un Waliullah.